Hi, I am Jessie Allender, registered dietitian, professional chef from many, many years ago, avid home cook, full-time working stay-at-home mom, full-time working and full-time stay-at-home mom of two during lockdown, which is loosening up here in Chicago. We're in phase 3. A lot of stuff is opening up, so I'm here along with everybody, asking everyone to stay safe, to wear those masks, to keep those social distances, to maintain your pods as much as possible, to keep us all safe from increased numbers. And today I'm coming on here for Cooking Nutrition Connections to talk about sprouts. Who likes sprouts? I love sprouts. I like all types of sprouts. I like alfalfa sprouts, and in the store you can get radish sprouts, broccoli sprouts, and mustard seed sprouts, all sorts of sprouts out there. Some are spicy, some are delicious. Radish sprouts, I love them. At home, I sprout some things, and one thing I do sprout is mung beans. So I've got here my jar of mung beans. I bought these big bag at a shop. Let me show you up close what a mung bean looks like. Here we go. There's a mung bean, or a few in my hand. They've got a little white seam on them, and they're really kind of tiny. So what I do is I take some mung beans and I put them into an empty mason jar, and I rinse them off and throw that water away, and then I fill up the jar all the way up. Let's use this one. So I just coat the bottom with beans, just like one layer, and then I fill the jar up with water and I let that soak for 24 hours. So not the whole jar, but just an empty jar with just like 3 tablespoons of mung beans maybe at the bottom. And I fill that up with clean filtered water and I let that soak overnight, 24 hours, 24 full hours. And then I strain that water off and put them in a jar thus, with some cheesecloth under the ring. And then I keep them wet, and I let them sit on the counter, and every day I spray some water in, I pour some water in, and I drain it out so it's just wet. You can see, if I can get the camera angle right and see what's going on, that it's just a little bit wet in there. These have been sitting on my kitchen counter for 5 days, and you can see the beans are huge. Let me get a comparison. Here's some beans in my hand, and you can see the beans inside have absorbed all that water, and they've shucked themselves of their green house. They've metamorphosized even, and they've grown long, leggy white sprouts. And it's been about 5 days that they've been sitting on my counter, and I wash them twice a day when I wake up in the morning and before I go to bed at night. And then I have sprouts, and tonight I'm going to have some sprouts on my salad. Delicious. And then I will store this jar in the refrigerator now that they're all sprouted and delicious, and the enzymes are active and the proteins are active, and they're yummy and delicious on my salad, and it's super fantastic, and I love it. Enjoy your sprouts. Sprouts are good for you. They have all the things that beans have in them, and then the inside, the germ part that helps them turn into plants, that has other components. You can Google that up. People have information out there, and I didn't go and look it up because I'm just lazy. We know that about me. You can Google it. You're good at that. But that's how you do it. You can do it in any kind of jar, glass, or stainless steel. People do it in plastic. I try not to use plastic for anything, as little as possible anyway. I do store some stuff in plastic. There you go. Sprouts for your Cooking Nutrition Connections. Not too much cooking, just a whole bunch of waiting. It's real slow cooking. Doesn't happen fast. Can't do it on MasterChef because it takes time. Take care. Stay safe. Be well. Bye.